Hey guys, what's going on? It's the Digital Tutor here with another step-by-step tutorial. And in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can hide your Amazon order history on a mobile device, and this does work on an Android or an iPhone. If you find this video helpful, please drop a like and leave a comment below. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more step-by-step tutorials, how-tos and neat tips and tricks for everything tech and digital related. So if we come across to the Amazon app, Amazon shopping app, now currently as of 2021, I've had a look and unfortunately I can't find a way to do it. However, you can do this on the Amazon website on your mobile device, and this is how you do it. First, you need to open up your internet browser. I'm using an Android device in this video, and then we want to come across to amazon.com or .co.uk or whichever country you want to go on to. And the first thing you want to do, I'm already logged into my account here. You want to click the three dots up in the top right hand corner. And once you've done that, you'll see it says desktop site, so you just need to go ahead and give that a click. What we now need to do is just come across to our orders. And to hide any orders, all you need to do is click on the order that you want to hide. So, for example, I'm just gonna have a look. I'm just gonna click on this one here. Choose this one as an example. And what we need to do is, you'll see there's a few options available on the right hand side. What we need to do is click the button at the bottom, which says to archive order. What's going to happen, it's going to come up with a message saying that you can archive up to 500 orders. So obviously this works, but only on 500 orders. And you can see that it's now been archived and it's no longer appearing in my history. It does say at the top as well, there's a confirmation message just saying that the order has been archived. So how this works, I mean, you can still view it in archived orders, but on your actual history, your actual order history, it does hide it. So this is the most up-to-date way to do it with Amazon on a mobile device. Obviously, if a new method does become available, I will post an updated video. But as of the time of filming, this is the most up-to-date way of doing so. So I hope you did find that helpful. If it did help, drop a like and leave a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. And if you do want to support the Digital Tutor channel, there is a link in the video description down below, where you'll be able to purchase a cup of coffee for the team here at Digital Tutor. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.